What's up guys, welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and today we're just gonna do some soldering of the switch panel from Stedi, and I'm gonna change my harness to the switch button. So to do this you need your heat sink. You've also got your solder resin. I've got the square type push button switch. Then I've got my solder. Then I've got the harness switch. So what you want to do is you want to cut the cable here. You don't really need that one. Then we just cut along here. I've only got this knife because I don't have the cutter for it, the proper cutter for it. So according to the diagram for the Stedi instructions, this is what it looks like. You can pause it to have a look at it. So the first one is vehicle earth, second one is relay, third one is earth, which is the black on Stedi harness, fourth one is the source, which is the white on Stedi harness, and then the fifth one is the dash lights. Cut the ends of it so that the wire exposed so we can solder that together. Just make sure when you're doing it you don't cut the wires. If you got the proper wire cutter it's easier, but I've only got this. Now pull it out. Okay, the second one, which is the blue, is going on the blue, which is on the blue harness. So don't forget to put the heat shrink in there before you attach it together. So the black one goes on black. White one goes on the white. So Stedi actually made it easy for everyone. So it's the correct color. Okay, now we can start soldering. So after you're done with the heat shrink, you heat it up so that it shrinks. I've only got a red head here to heat it up. Now we can connect it and test it out. So with the switch panel, you get this one and then you put it in here, and then it clips on in there. That's how you have it. And after that you can install it at the back here. And that's one down, and it looks like that. If you like this video guys, please like and subscribe to 4x4 Jumpman, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.